Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos on online earning, tech tutorials, and business tips. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a PayPal business account from scratch. If you're planning to start an online business, sell digital products, or accept international payments, then having a PayPal business account is absolutely essential. We'll cover everything from signing up, choosing the right business type, verifying your account, and getting ready to receive payments globally. So watch till the end, because I'll also share some important tips to avoid common mistakes while setting up your account. Let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal business account step by step. Now, here, you'll get two options: personal account and business account. Since we want to receive payments for business, make sure you select business account and then click on Get Started. Next, you'll need to enter your basic information. Start with your email address. Make sure to use a valid email because you'll need to verify it later. Then create a strong password. I recommend using a combination of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Alright, now we move on to the business details section. Here, you need to describe your business type. I'm going with individual seller, which is perfect if you're just starting on your own. But if you're running your business under a brand name, you can also choose sole proprietorship. Next, you'll be asked to enter your business name. If you don't have a registered brand yet, you can simply use your own name or the name you plan to use for your business. After that, enter your PAN number and your date of birth carefully. Make sure these details match your official documents to avoid any issues later during verification. Now, fill in your basic details like your gender, phone number, and your business address. Even if you're working from home, you can enter your home address as your business address. Moving ahead, you'll see an option to select the purpose of your account. In my case, I'm choosing Offsite Software Exports, since this account will be used for receiving payments from clients abroad. You can choose the category that best fits your business activity. Finally, you'll be asked about your estimated annual turnover. Here, I'm selecting less than 1 lakh, especially if you're just starting out. Don't worry, you can always update this later as your business grows. Once you've filled in all the details correctly, double-check everything and proceed to the next step. Alright, now comes one of the most important steps: linking your bank account. To receive payments directly into your bank, you need to connect your bank account with your PayPal business account. So first, click on Link Bank Account. Now here, you'll need to enter your bank details. Start with your account number. Make sure you enter it correctly without any mistakes. Next, you'll be asked for the IFSC code. This is very important because it identifies your bank branch. You can find your IFSC code on your checkbook, passbook, or even by searching your bank name online. After that, enter the account holder name. It should match exactly with your bank records and your PayPal account details. Once everything is filled in, go ahead and click on Link Bank. Now in some cases, PayPal may send a small deposit to your bank account for verification. You will need to check your bank statement and confirm that amount inside PayPal to complete the verification process. After successful verification, your bank account will be linked and you're all set to receive payments directly into your account. And that's it for this step. Let's move to the next one. To activate your PayPal business account, you need to schedule a KYC call. Just pick a convenient date and time slot. During the call, they'll verify your basic details, so make sure you're available. Also, keep your PAN card handy because you may need it for verification. Once it's done, your account will be fully activated and ready to receive payments. Now, within 2 days, you'll receive 2 small deposits in your bank account from PayPal. Each amount will be less than Rs 150. Just check your bank statement, note those exact amounts, and confirm them inside your PayPal account. Once you've done that, your account will be fully verified and ready to use. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.